Coinbase's stock is approaching an all-time low as crypto trading declines. Reports on cryptocurrency trading apps in the first quarter of 2022, 2.2 million fewer people traded than at the end of 2021. Coinbase Global Incorporated reported a loss in its most recent quarter and lower than expected revenue as it lost 2.2 million crypto traders from its platform, citing the effects of lower volatility and prices for crypto assets. Coinbase Coin, minus 12.60% shares were down 16% in after-hours trading Tuesday, after falling about 13% during the regular session. They were trading at lower prices than they had in any regular trading session since the company went public a little more than a year ago. Coinbase's net revenue for the first quarter fell to $1.17 billion, down from $1.60 billion the previous year, while analysts expected $1.50 billion. Revenue fell as volume slowed. Coinbase reported $309 billion in trading volume in the March quarter, compared to $547 billion in the December quarter and $335 billion in the year-ago March quarter. Retail trading volume was $74 billion, down from $177 billion in the previous quarter and $120 billion the previous year. The company had 9.2 million monthly transacting users, down from 11.4 million in the previous quarter. We believe these market conditions are temporary, and we remain focused on the long term. In fact, our investment in our business now is especially critical. These periods of low volatility can provide the opportunity to focus more intently on product development, as opposed to peak periods, when we are more focused on meeting high demand, the company said in its shareholder letter. In addition, the company reported a first quarter net loss of $430 million, or $1.98 per share, compared to a year ago net income of $388 million, or $3.05 per share. On a GAAP basis, analysts tracked by FactSet expected a 1-cent loss per share. Coinbase had previously stated that 2022 would be an investment year, and the company is continuing to prioritize investment spending despite a more challenging business environment. We are highly confident that we could choose profitability over reinvesting in the business, Chief Financial Officer Alicia Haas said on Coinbase's earnings call, but the company sees opportunities to invest in areas such as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and international growth. We could have done more of these sequentially, we could have moved more slowly and focused on profitability, but we have the resources, she continued. We take a disciplined approach to managing our business through peaks and valleys. Coinbase revealed that in the most recent quarter, 24% of its total volume was concentrated in Bitcoin, 0.16%, Ethereum, 1.16%, and the rest in other assets. In the December quarter, Bitcoin and Ethereum concentrations were each at 16%. While Coinbase acknowledged market softness, it also stated that it was seeing encouraging trends, such as increased adoption of non-investment products. During the quarter, approximately 5 million Coinbase monthly transacting users engaged with a non-investment product, with staking being the most popular option. Our thesis about moving away from just being a trading platform to enabling the entire crypto economy and being that primary financial account for people is really starting to work, Chief Executive Brian Armstrong said on the call. The report comes on the heels of a 55% drop in Coinbase shares over the last month, while the S&P 500 SPX, plus 0.25%, has dropped 11%. During the month of April, the company observed continued declines in both crypto asset volatility and crypto asset prices. Coinbase expects monthly transacting users and total trading volume to be lower in the second quarter than in the first. Coinbase also expects subscription and service revenue to be similar to or slightly lower than in the first quarter.